Hello EFR 516 students. What we're going to be working on today is the example of assignment online EX01. Now there's the actual assignment and then this is an example. So this gives you a chance to go through the assignment and walk through by these tutorials and do an assignment, and then you're going to go ahead and do the actual assignment. So this is again EX01. So if we come down here, the first problem is right here. It says plot histogram of the below data from the simulation. Run the simulation for 5 and 1,000 observations. What kind of shapes are in the distribution in the population? Include both histograms. So to do this, we need to go up and open SPSS. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. And here's the SPSS screen. Now when we do that, you're just getting where you can enter the data here. So we'll come up and we're going to go File, New, Sentex. And that's going to open a Sentex window. So that's what we want for this first problem, which is online EX0101. So what we're going to do is we're going to block this Sentex, and we're going to copy this over into the Sentex window. Okay, so I got to go back. I got to find my Sentex window. So I'm going to click on the SPSS emblem, and it's going to give me the two windows that are open, which is the data window and the Sentex window. I'm going to click on the Sentex window, and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to paste it in here. Control V, and I paste it in here. Now the assignment has said, we'll go back to that. It said run it for 5 and then 1,000 observations. What kind of shapes are these distributions in the population? So notice that we're creating it from normal population. So the population will be normal for each of these. That's the answer. So we'll go back to the actual problem. And so what we need to do is go ahead and it says input program, loop it 1 to 5. So we're going to change this 100 to 5. So the first time we're going to go around 5 times, and then we're going to plot a histogram. So we'll go ahead and do that. We're going to block it, and to run it, I need to first block the text, and then run the green triangle. So I'll run that, and notice it's creating a distribution. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this distribution over to my assignment. Put it right underneath. Okay, so that was the first time. So now let's go ahead and get the second distribution, which will have 1,000 observations. So we'll go back to SPSS, go to the Sentex window, or no, that's the output window. We'll go to the Sentex window, and now the loop input program from our syntax, we're going to change the 5 here to 1,000, 1,000. Okay, and then we're going to block and run this. Running it is the green triangle. So I'm going to hit that. So here's the distribution we're after. So I'm going to go copy special, copy as image. Okay, I'm going to bring that over to my assignment. So here was the first distribution. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and paste in the second one. And here was our second distribution. So as you can see from these two distributions, they don't look the same at all, but the key is that they were both sampled from a normal population. Now this is the assumption when we're doing hypothesis testing, that if we're assuming a normal parametric distribution, meaning parametric it has defined by parameters, like the normal distribution, we're expecting something to look like this, bell shape. It's going to start low, go high, and then low again. And we're assuming it's in the population. But in both these cases, they're being sampled from the normal. Now, these are the samples. We don't expect the sample to look normal, but we expect that the distribution we're sampling from is normal. All right. So to answer this question, include both. What kind of shapes are these distributions in the populations? Well, they're normal, right here. both of these are sampled from a normal distribution. So that takes care of problem one.